Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. My mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of October. Only 46 more to go. Yay! Today I'm reviewing the 3D Papercraft sculpture, the Tortuga Bay by Cubic Fun. On Sloan's Reviews rock scale of hardness, of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, I give this kit a 4. The instructions were in a nice booklet-style format and were easy to follow, with coloring of the steps to aid in assembly. The instructions state that no glue is required, which was mostly true, but I did find that a little white glue helped to secure some of the pieces near the base that did not want to stay put, probably due to the pressure of the build from the pieces above. Also, the kit says no tools are required, which was true. Also, the kit stated it would take about 3 to 4 hours to build, which was pretty accurate. I finished it in close to 4 hours, but I was stopping to take pictures along the way to completion. Looking at what I liked, the Tortuga Bay was fun and quick to assemble. I don't plan on doing any more of these, but this did make a nice prop for our Flying Dutchman Lego brick build that Mrs. Sloan's Reviews just completed. The coloring of these pieces is pretty realistic and give you the impression of a pirate stronghold, just as it's supposed to. All the pieces fit together easily. The company Cubic Fun has a huge number of fascinating looking 3D models, including builds for children and lighted models to build besides this one. If you're interested, you should definitely check out their website at www.cubicfun.com, and I'll put a link in the description as well. I wish I'd known about these, as I would have purchased some of their children's kits for my daughter when she was a few years younger. There is much to talk about in regards to what I didn't like. It was fun, easy, and a quick project to assemble. It's even pretty sturdy for some thin pieces of cardboard. Could a beginner do and enjoy this kit? I believe a beginner would enjoy building this kit quite well. Would I do it again? This was a one-off for the Sloan's Review channel, and I don't have any immediate plans to build another of these 3D paper sculptures, but I would in a heartbeat if I needed one, like for a quick prop or something. This worked out to be a very fun accidental purchase from that crazy Temu app. Have you built any of Cubic Fun's 3D paper sculptures? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make one of your own Tortuga Bay 3D sculptures. If you're in a position to support me on Patreon, please click my link in the description. We have a camera that is ailing and we could use your support. It's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to our videos ad-free, and hopefully we can help you decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.